Hello my friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Today I will show you how to send money to a friend using PayPal. So I'm logged in here on the PayPal account, and it's a personal. You have to configure your bank account. Put your card here on PayPal. Go here on the wallet. Here on the wallet you can link a card. Here you can put your card. Put your credit card number. Select the type. It will be selected automatically. Put the security code. The security code is at the back of your card, and choose your billing address here, and click link the card. Okay, this is the first step you have to do. The next step, if you want to send some money to someone, to your friend, click here send. Choose the email address of your friend PayPal account, or the name of PayPal account. You ask your client or your friend for the PayPal email address, or the PayPal mobile number, or the PayPal account name. In my case, I will use an email address to my friend. Yes, here it is. I will choose this contact and I will send some money to him. Okay, here. Okay, so let's continue. Here, just change it here and choose this option, send to a friend, right? And try send the payment now. And I've sent 90 euro to send a developers. Let's see now friend's account, how it will looks. PayPal, my own PayPal. This is how it looks to your friend account when you send it the money. Okay, you will see here just an 90 euro on hold as a gift from a friend. Okay, this is how it looks from your friend account. So you just send a 90 euro and here it is. It's on hold and waiting for bank transfer. So thank you guys for watching. This is how it works when you send money to a friend, okay? And with no commission. As you see, there is no commission because this money is sent as a gift from PayPal. Don't forget to choose that send as a friend. Thank you for watching. God bless you.